Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. I hope New Year's Eve is going great for everybody and y'all have a great New Year's night. Just be safe. You know what? Have fun, but be safe. So guys, again, time I get something uploaded, another spoiler gets revealed. So I've got another spoiler for the Boxycharm January base box. So if you're excited for this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and also hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell. That way you're notified so you don't miss none of these spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read the first comment from my last video, which was a Ouija board has been running my life for over 25 years. Yep, it's an interesting video. Y'all should go check it out. Anyways, congratulations. Lipstick and Sofrito. I think that's how you say that. Maybe not. I'm sorry. I do apologize if I said it wrong. Anyway, she says, Happy New Year. Blessings and much love to you and your loved ones. Best seat toast. Did I say that right? I'm proud of myself if I said that right. Well, thank you so much, girl. I'm telling you, I've just had so much bad luck. I mean, I could just do anything right now. I'm just ready for it to change. Hopefully 2020's better. And for you and yours too, honey. So I really appreciate it. And thank you so much for being there to watch that video and supporting me. I love you so much, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, make sure you leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and dive into this madness. Now again, I've already uploaded 2 videos, and time I get them uploaded, they reveal something else. So again, this is for the January base box. Now, I'm going to show you what we already got, and then I'm going to show you the new one. So the first thing, now these are variations, and these were the choice items. So if you didn't choose, you're going to get one of these 3 items just by surprise in your box. You're either going to get the Ace Beauty Vintage Dawn palette, or you're going to get the Ace Beauty Scarlet Dusk palette, or you're going to get the Dr. Brandt 24/7 Retinol Eye Cream. Next up is the Too Faced Diamond Light Highlighter. Now these shades are going to vary. I think there's 3 different shades to this. So you're either going to get one of these highlighters, or you're going to get the Pretty Vulgar Undercover Lightweight Concealer. Again, shades are going to vary, and you know they do that shade matching now with y'all. So you're going to get the shade that works for your skin tone. Now, next up, and this is what I just revealed a while ago, was the Wander Beauty Trip for 2 Blush and Bronzer Duo. Now, it looks like there's 2 different palettes, like there's one for light skin, one for dark skin. And again, I don't know if this one is going to be a variation item or what, but of course, you know, I'm going to let y'all know if I find out otherwise. Now, the newly revealed spoiler is the Grande Cosmetics. This is the Grande Drama Intense Thickening Mascara. Y'all, I love ones like this. I love the ones that look like they're all clumped up and stuff, but as long as it still separates and makes you look like you got a whole lot of lash, I love mascaras like this. But again, I don't know if this is going to be a variation item or what. So as soon as they confirm anything or they come out with anything else, of course, I'm going to keep you guys updated. You know I got to keep you in the loop. And as always, Boxycharm's linked below if you want to go check them out. Now, guys, let's read the comment that I picked in my last video. Well, congratulations. Is it Loida A? I hope I said that right, honey. Anyways, Loida says, I would burn sage. Hope everything gets better. You know what? Somebody else told me that. And then somebody else told me if you don't know what you're doing, don't burn sage to burn those little incense things. So I'm not sure what to do there. But I really appreciate it, honey. And thank you so much for showing support on that video by watching it. I really appreciate it, honey. And thank you so much. I love you, girl. Leave a comment if you want to get a shout out. And guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking subscribers, likes, comments. They take it all. They're trying to ruin my life is what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that, make sure you're still subscribing. If you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. It really just shows the engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking and what I need to do more of. And then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all the spoilers. Guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. That's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so, so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.